In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to effectively set up taxes in Zoho Books, an intuitive online accounting software. The process starts by visiting Google's homepage and searching for Zoho Books. To do this, simply type Zoho Books in the search bar and hit Enter. In an instant, Google presents you with a list of relevant search results. From these results, find and click on the link that says Zoho Books. This will redirect you to the Zoho Books homepage. Now that you're on the Zoho Books homepage, you should see an option that says Access Zoho Books. Go ahead and click on it. Upon doing so, you will be provided with access to your Zoho Books dashboard, where most of the tasks related to accounting and bookkeeping are done. In your dashboard, focus your attention to the top right corner of the page. There, you'll find a gear-like icon, which is essentially the Settings button. Click this button to go to the Settings page, where you can customize the software based on your specific needs and preferences. Once you're on the Settings page, you should see a series of options related to accounting, but for our purpose, we're interested in taxes. Look for an option that says Taxes and click on it. This action will direct you to a new page having multiple tax-related options. On the Taxes page, seek out the Tax Rates section. It's important to remember that tax rates are the standard rates at which taxes are calculated. To access this section, click on Tax Rates. Following this action, a new page will pop up with an option to add new tax rates. As we need to set up new tax rates, find and click the New Tax button. This action will open up a form that requires you to fill up some critical tax-related information. Don't worry, it's not complicated at all. Begin by typing in the name of the tax. Make sure this name is descriptive, so you can easily find it in the future. Next, set the tax rate. Your rate will depend on various factors, such as your geographical location and the nature of your business. It's vital that you know the appropriate rate for your situation. Lastly, after filling all the required information and you're satisfied that all entered information is correct, go ahead and click on Save. Doing so will store the tax information and allow you to automatically calculate taxes in Zoho Books using the rates you've just set up. Congratulations! You have now learned how to set up taxes in Zoho Books. As you can see, the process is quite straightforward and easy to execute. If you follow these steps, you'll have no trouble managing your tax rates with this handy online accounting software.